Hey, Zamb. Oh, you leave Zambi alone.
She's a jealous. She is jealous.
She's so jealous of Zambi when he comes over to his mama. Oh, he's got to get your feet, Jack. He's got to get your feet. Oh, you got to get Jack's feet. Where's my Zambi? Where's my buddy? Where's Jack gone, Zambi? Where's... You had putting all your seeds on the floor. Oh, get them seeds up. Get them seeds up. Get them up. You leave Zambi alone, Jessie. You leave Zambi alone. Here, Zambi, you get it. Zambi, you ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh! What? You jealous? What are you jealous for? Why are you jealous? Why are you so jealous? Why are you so jealous? Why are you so jealous? Zambi wants to play as well. Come on, Zamb. Why are you so jealous, Jessie? Why are you so jealous, Jess? Why are you so jealous, Jessie? Oh, Zambi's running away. He's got to get you. He's got to get you. Oh, Zambi. Oh, Zambi's going in now. He's going home. He's not playing with you anymore. Look, Zambi's not playing with you anymore. He's going home. Say, I'm going home. He's going home. Ain't you, Zambi? Will you leave Zambi alone? Will you leave Zambi alone? Come on, Zambi.